POV drive, and I'm about to give y'all a cruise back with my man Zay over here. You know what I'm saying? He gonna be in the Lexus, and then we gonna cruise back. And yeah, bro, it's probably not gonna be too much talking if we do, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's my dog Cash over here. Let's do it.
Get a little bit of the POV.
Of course. You'll be in it.
Maybe like 5%.
Of course, you'll be in it. I need to put like more air in my tire. Ready? Nah, no!
My camera's turning on right now. No!
Bruh, I gotta go get a car wash tomorrow. No, not judge. Yo. Let's go. He trolling, bro. He trying to get my... Let go. Yeah, turn on. It's so dark out here. Look at it. Ooh. It's that countryside. That Acura sound good. They sound good. They sound good. Very scary, huh? This is normal for me.
Look out your windshield.
Huh?
Why don't you look out your windshield?
For me, this is normal.
Well, I'm not.
I'm talking about how dark it is.
Look at how dark it is.
watch out for these cops though. I seen so many cops on the way here. Oh, I see him right there. My thing. No, we can get the food to go.
Yeah, all of us? And
Yeah.
go eat at the same place? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Just make each of that.
You got lost?
We took the wrong turn.
I ain't take no wrong turn. How I'm in front of you?
We took the wrong turn.
Oh yeah. You missed it. It was right when y'all kept going straight.
But you kept going, so I'm like, yo. I know. You saying you want to be in the POV though?
Yeah. But he gonna drive back to Hampton with us?
Nah.
Oh, he about to veer off?
Yeah. Let's go crazy.
And I wanted to go 15 on my front windshield. I can even see already. Look at that. It's already dark. Oh yeah. way though. Okay, he's blacked out. Who he running from? Hold on. Let me get him. Come on. Chill. Ooh. You saw that cop?
Yes, I do. What's the speed?
I was going 70. It says, actually, I don't even know how fast I was going, but I think I was under though. It's 65. No, that's glitched. This is highway. This is what we're supposed to be looking at. I can't see it on here. Yeah. I was going 65 though. I was going like maybe 65. Hopefully he didn't pull out behind us. Huh? Oh, that was an Acura?
I don't know.
I thought it was a Charger.
Maybe it was. I think you're right.
You can let your window back. I got it. Of course.
I see out there. I thought he was trying to get over.
he's taking that way. Oh no, he came this way. Dang. What is he doing, man? Alright, YouTube, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if y'all did. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. We out.